All right, so we got the 12 millimeter. We're going to take these two off, and this is your. We already have it loose on the other end down here. And we'll pull it out of here, out of the valve cover, and then we want to reach up in there and pull out that ring. Now see, this is broken, so I got to go replace this tube. Because somebody broke it before and taped it with electrical tape. Fun. So we're going to fix that. Now there's also a bolt that keeps that in place. It might be a 13 millimeter. Well, it's a 12. And it needs some big muscle. I'm wondering if that battery might be getting low on it. No, it's just real tight. So we'll take that. All right. So now this crossover tube, or this one's seen its better days, so it'll be scrapped and replaced. All right, so now we've got all of the obstructions are out of the way to remove the valve cover from the top. So all of the valve cover bolts are 12 millimeter 8 by 1.25 threads, and what we're going and you got one. You need a deep well because it's got a bolt shaft on top. So what I do is I just go through and loosen them all up. Then we'll take them all loose, take them out. So now the gasket's loose all the way around. Okay. And there's the gasket. So, all right, so what we're going to do, we are now at a point where we're going to start popping the rack loose. So on the rack we're going to need a 6 millimeter hex head, also known as an Allen wrench. So 3/8 drive, 6 millimeter. Now what that's for is in here in the valve train we have got these retainers. These retainers are tied, they're embossed to the hard point of the cam caps, and then they come back and they are on a ball point for the compression brake rocker, which is here. Okay, this is the compression brake rocker. All right, so we have the intake, we have the injector, the exhaust, and then the compression brake. And the compression brake is working, it's got a piston up inside of here, and when you hit the brake, the compression brake, the Jake brake, then it pushes that piston down so that the exhaust valves stay open. And so there's a couple of things that we're going to need to be watching out here for. We want these to be in the same position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'll lay those out in order up there. And then also, what we need, and I'm going to have to run to Volvo to get it. I wondered why I didn't have any compression brake, but this is the compression brake oil pressure module. So that's the first thing we're going to take loose. So, and then there's two O-rings or seals there, and I can already see one that is that's torn out. So without that seal, the compression brake is totally useless. It's just shooting oil right back out into the valve cover.